So we got a bit of a clean up. Some of the birds wanted to stay in the nest folds, so I left them alone. Must be ready to make eggs. So we do have eggs from the red beards. The straight blue over there, we've got eggs from that silver hen. And we've got eggs up there that we swapped. And I'm not cleaning that corner over here because the silly birds decided, yep, I'll let them do their second egg there, it doesn't matter. It's from that big giant male over here, and that silver pied hen, and her daughter is this blue white beardish one over here. That's the mother, that's the daughter, and the daughter is paired to the grandfather, OG giant red bars, blue boy. So he's the father of her and of that silver over here, silver hen. So that's the easy line. And then we've got the Verso lines over here. We've got the Verso cross Tomiches. Verso cross Tomiches over here. We've got that Verso line over there. And then look how terrible the hen young flyers are looking. So much feathers are missing from their molting right now. This one's still jacked all the way up. So that one went all up yesterday. Had it up for a small flight. That one did over an hour, even in its molting form. So it was up there with a bird that's actually outside at the moment because I haven't got them all in. Yeah. This top fly, I can't even fly at the moment. It's missing a lot of feathers. They're looking pretty ordinary right now. But yeah, that's the crazy saddle right there. We're gonna put it with the crazy bars. So I'm hoping for something really nice out of them two. See what they do. They've still got more to bring in. That one's missing quite a few wing feathers as well. Another flying young one. And slowly we'll get the hens on the other side, as we've got the males over there. The males are molting really bad, so I'm not even letting them out. There we go. Egg. And I got this young silver saddle. I put it back here in here because I was just like seeing it here. Amazing. A pure Serbian silver saddle. It's nuts. OG's paired up. Finally got to get some young ones out of him. Been a while. So the feed at the moment, I don't know if you can see it. It does have, it's a normal pigeon mix, but I've also started to mix in pigeon pellets in there. So that's what I do for breeding. Make sure they've got the pellets as well. Mix it up. So they still get the extra corn, peas and whatnot. They'll eat all that. No problem. And then once the eggs start hatching, they've got to have a bit more food than that.